My love is very special.
I just wanna love you, baby.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's wig is going to be from Yolissa Hair, and I'm going to be reviewing their 22-inch water tip my lace. If the hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, comes with 2 combs in the front, your elastic band, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. Forehead, this is a better alternative. After you carved out where your baby hairs are going to, you know, even if they're twins, they're fraternal, okay?
She spread, we put 12 left legs that mash up it head. I go keep my third world girl instead. She sees it, wicked, so she did it. Lama, parish, river, body, sender, cousin, come on, had it. When me done it, she asked me, say, Daddy. Philippi, walla pump, pull up, walla pump, alla my, alla part, silly dilly fella fest, walla pump, silly dilly fella fest.
When it comes to cutting baby hairs, you always want to cut an angle. I always cut more because after this, you're going to want to curl them, and you don't want them to be too short to where you can't curl it. So I always cut more than I'm going to need, and then after I curl them and I shape them, I just cut the rest of afterward. This product will not be named. Just know that it's mousse. You can get mousse anywhere, but no free promo for this product. I already had it before the whole thing happened, so I'm going to be using it. Okay, thank you. I'm going to get my coin out of what I bought. As I'm molding my baby hairs, I'm just cutting off. Apply your elastic band, take it off, comb out the baby hairs, and then pluck to your desired look.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come here with the commas. Oh, DJ turn the sound up. Pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got
The This is a glueless unit, so you don't even need any type of adhesive. And she is going for $271 on Yolissa Hair's website. If you want to buy this, let's go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you really like my vibe, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye.